Hello, friends, family, silly billies all alike, and welcome back to Jurassic RAR. So, I've been doing a lot. To start off with, we have Allosaurus now. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Today is Allosaurus Day. Oh, and also I made a mistake. May or may not have accidentally slaughtered two of the raptors from last episode by accident. You see, the thing is, you see. Oh, also, it's not winter anymore. I already went through the entire winter season, which is lovely. So, the thing is, excuse me. Let me get over here. They're also way bigger now. Thing is, first two of the ones I put down, you know how they were attacking me last time? Yeah, well, it's because they weren't tamed. Ow, you little shitheads! Oh my goodness, they must have multiplied. They must have multiplied when I was gone. Okay, I'm not sure how one of the raptors got out, but they did. Okay, we have a problem. I may or may not have slaughtered the babies I had. As you can see, their carcasses are here. Um, I did not know they could reproduce. Oh, you see, this is how I got the skeletons. Oopsies. So I've burned the bodies. Oopsies. Oh, look, there's still some left. So, that's a problem I did not see. Are these here? Oh, I don't know where my paleo lab is. Okay, so obviously, it's been quite a second since I had last recorded anything. I was AFK like twice for like a couple hours just on here, so I wasn't doing anything. I was doing something else, and I was just letting the game run. That just got big as fuck. How one of them escaped, I don't know. They are huge though. I did not think they were gonna be this big, but I'm pretty sure this enclosure is fine. This enclosure can handle them. So we're gonna just, I went out to go slaughter some cows. I'm pretty sure they have enough food, right? Oh yeah, for sure they have enough food, for sure. Yeah, they're just jolly. They're just great. They're just fine. Okay. Okay, so getting on to a couple of things I want to do. Well, first, I want to make this. I want to push this back a little bit because I want to put a nice little stand so I can put skeletons in, right? So I can have like a little area with like the skeletons, and it'll look nice. So we're gonna build that, yeah. Bro, look, I get over here, and look what the fuck I see on the floor. How do I pick them up? Okay, I found out how to pick them up. I just had to right click on them. Well, this is not what I had planned. Right, well, I'm gonna go finish that up real quick. Look at this motherfucker, bruh. You want all the smoke? I have realized I want glass here. Oh, you're nasty to look at. Yeah, torches. Gotta have them even too, bruh. Oh my goodness, it's gonna look fucking miraculous. Boom, boom, bruh. We have the little pedestal right here, bruh. Fuck yes. Alright, what should we make the pedestal out of? Fuck yeah, we'll make it out of this. Boom, 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 bruh. And then right here, boom. Tell me that shit don't go hard. My goodness, it'd be a lie. It would be a lie if you said such words to me. See if I can make some stairs, make it look a little bit nicer. Bro, this shit looks miraculous to look at. Should I put like a light? Ooh, I should put glowstone in the middle. Yes, let me go get the glowstone. I had no glowstone there. I had to go find some. It's time to go on a fucking mission. Where the fuck did I end up? How? Why? Why did I end up here? On a whole fucking mission to get back. Unskippable side cuts completed. Have the fucking glowstone now. Give me. Boom, boom, boom. We go boom, boom, boom. We go boom. Oh my goodness. Look at how miraculous it looks. Bro, that shit is high, bruh. But what I do need now. Boom, 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 boom. This is where we can keep all the extras and shit, like the extra eggs and whatnot. In case we get any. Okay. I say raptor enclosure looks pretty fucking hype in my opinion. In my personal opinion. Let's open the bitch up, bro. Boom, boom, boom. Damn it, boy. I need to figure out which one is a female. I think it might be the red one. Or this orange one, my bad. Not fucking red. Okay, time to go back to business. I've noticed something that I'm not liking. See, there it is. There's like hella screen tearing and I do not know how to stop it, like at all. Okay, so I'm back. I'm working on this teleporter thing because I want to, you know, okay, right now I was just testing it on my bed. I want to make the Allosaurus enclosure much further away. Not much further away, but in a place where I can actually build freely. Cause, man, here's those hills. You know what I mean? And I also kind of want to, what's it called? Not mine, but clear out like a big area because I want it to be like a pretty large enclosure. So I'm going to go and find a place and I'll be right back. I keep forgetting to record. Okay, so I found a spot and I'm mining it out and I'm gonna build the outline and then I'll come back in and tell you the plan. Bro, look at these fucking ops, bruh. Like, look at these motherfuckers. Come here, motherfucker. Come here, motherfucker. Actually pissing me off. Okay, I had an idea. I have an idea. What if I like put a tunnel from there, right? Because you can't really see from over there, right? And I put it like leading to a little observation tower, right? And I make one like right here. I think I should be pretty hype. Okay, after acquiring my stone bricks, I shall go back to build. That is so unlucky that snow would start falling right now. Okay, I've come back. It's daytime now, and the rain has stopped. I went away so the snow wouldn't start piling up. Okay, it's been like an hour of smelting. I have stone. I think I have what I need. No, fuck. Are you kidding me? I was just about to start and it's raining. Or my fucking god. Okay, it's been like maybe 8 minutes. Rain stopped. Sorry. Oh my goodness, I just haven't been going back and forward and back and forward and back and forward. It's been pissing me off. Okay. I think I should be able to completely get everything to where I need to be. Boom, 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 boom. Why did it stop halfway? What? Why is it stopping? Oh my fucking goodness, the snow. There's no way. I was here for like a millisecond. There's no... I have run out of stone again. Okay. I've gone back. I finished with the wall. It's been like actually way too long on this fucking wall. And now I have to wait for it to turn night so I can do the fucking torches. Okay. It is night now. And we're about to start doing the torches. Hopefully I don't run out of fucking brick, bro. I think I'm gonna... Damn it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm back. Very, very long time lapse, I know. I'm so very sorry. But I'm going to just hatch these already because I'll do decorations next video, but I need to finish this one. Oh my goodness, I do not have enough time. Okay. Man, those guys are way bigger than the others. What? They walk funny. They walk very funny. Okay, they're very big. Did not expect them to be so incredibly large. They're so cute though. Alright, well this was a short episode, but sorry, but I kind of have to. I promise next time it'll be longer and it'll probably be better. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.